Reports are a powerful way to consolidate key information from multiple sheets into a single overview. Reports function like a bi-directional filter, so they are great for both answering key business questions and effectively managing and updating work across multiple sheets. Let's take a look at reporting in action by building a roll-up of our sales pipeline. In this example, the sales team is divided up by territory. Each territory has its own sheet that sales reps use to track opportunities. To see how much business is expected to close across the entire team, create a new report and select source sheets. First, choose the sheets whose information you want to include in the report. In this example, we'll select the sheets for each region as our data sources. Next, select the columns you want to display. We'll include rep, territory, and other columns needed in our roll-up. Using filter criteria, you can specify what information appears in the report. We want to identify deals over $50,000 and have a 50% probability of closing. Next, group common data sets and choose how information is sorted. We'll group our sales pipeline by sales rep and territory. Finally, summarize your information using functions. To see the total number of deals and revenue for each rep, we'll add a count and sum function. Now, you have a customized roll-up of sales activity across all of your territories that automatically updates to reflect changes. Reports are bi-directional, so changes made in sheets will automatically reflect in your report, and changes made in the report will also update back to the source sheets. Data visibility is dependent on sharing permissions, so viewers will only see data from source sheets they have been shared to. If someone isn't shared to the underlying sheets but still needs visibility, a report can be scheduled for a weekly PDF delivery. Shared as a live published link, or included in a dashboard. And that's an example of how to create and share a report to analyze and evaluate data across sheets.